to Nasarawa State University, Kefi.
Welcome to the Department of Theatre and Cultural Studies.
We are the Group 3 members, giving a narrative on the Nasarawa Festival of Peace 2025.
Nasarawa Festival of Peace 2025. This is not just a festival that showcases the beautiful costumes, dance, and sweet songs, but it is a festival that tells how each band narrates a story with their moves.
We are narrating a dance piece that depicts how two villages fought for peace and finally gained their freedom.
Fought for peace. Now let's go.
The procession began from the Department of Theatre and Cultural Studies. Each band, dressed in their colorful festival attires, filled the atmosphere with peace and joy as they sang and danced under the bright sky.
Led the way to the Convocation Square.
Wow, you don't mean it. Please tell me more.
At the Convocation Square, dances from different cultures were performed to entertain the guests. A dramatic scene followed, depicting a fight between two kingdoms seeking peace. In the end, the two kingdoms united and peace and freedom were finally restored.
Alago, Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba, let us live together in peace, in love, and in harmony. My king and my queen, please.
And there was great jubilation and celebration. Thank you for watching.
See you there at the Nasarawa Festival of Peace next year. Bye.